At OneTech Repairs, we understand how important your devices are to your daily life. Whether it's a cracked phone screen, a sluggish laptop, or recovering lost data, we've got you covered. Our experienced technicians are trained to repair all major brands, including Android smartphones, iPhones, laptops, PCs, iPads, and more from Apple, Samsung, HTC, Sony, Nokia, Huawei, Acer, Dell, HP, Google, Asus, Lenovo, and others. We offer the same-day repair in our outlet. Need help with your computer or laptop? From MacBook repairs to virus removal and secure data recovery, we'll get your device back on track quickly and affordably. Looking to upgrade? We offer competitive prices on smartphones, tablets, and all the accessories you need. Don't just take our word for it. Check out our excellent reviews on Google, Yelp, and Trustpilot. We pride ourselves on delivering fast, reliable, and professional services. Visit now. 19 High Street, Carshalton, Surrey, SM53AP. All repairs are guaranteed for your peace of mind. OneTech Repairs, your one-stop solution for all tech repairs. Call now for a free quote.